Good morning. I am Kimberly Santo Domingo, and I will going to discuss one of the major elements of nutrients, and it is water. So ano nga ba yung water? Water regulates body temperature, helps to eliminate waste, cushion the joints, and allow the cells to function normally. Need ng isang person at least 8 glasses of 8-ounce water araw-araw, including na dito yung plain water at mga water na nakukuha natin sa ating mga kinakain, like sa watermelon. 60% ng ating katawan is made up of water, and 71% naman ng ating mundo is covered by water. Some of the water required by the body is obtained through foods with a high water content, such as sa soups, tomatoes, oranges, but most come through drinking water and other beverages. During everyday function, water is lost by the body, and this needs to be replaced. We lose water through activities, such as sweating and urination, but water is lost even when breathing. Drinking water, whether from the tap or a bottle, is the best source of fluid for the body. And these are the facts about drinking water. Adult humans are 60% in water, and our blood contains 90% water. There is no universally agreed quantity of water that must be consumed daily. Then, water is essential for the kidneys and other bodily functions. When dehydrated, yung skin natin can become more vulnerable to skin disorder and wrinkling. Then, when we drink water instead of soda can help us weight loss. Other facts about water. Yung babies and children have a higher percentage of water than adults. When babies are born, they are about 78% water, but this falls to 65% by the age of 1 year. Yung fatty tissue has less water than lean tissue. Then men have more water than women as a percentage. Foods and fluids, including water, are the main source of water in our bodies. Yung advice to drink 8 ounces of glasses every day is not based on evidence. The amount of water we need depends on individual na dito yung circumstances, including yung physical activity na ginagawa natin every day and yung climate. The healthy body naturally maintains a well-tuned balance of fluid, and yung thirst mechanism tells us when we need more water. We often hear, diba, that we should drink 8 ounces of glasses of water every day. However, there is some controversy about this figure and what it really means. Water is an essential nutrient. It is necessary to sustain all forms of life, and yung human can only live a few days without water. It is also a helpful drink because there's a lot of benefits that water can give in our body. Health authorities and others often encourage people to consume 2 or more liters of water a day. How much plain water ba do we really need? Yung men should drink around 100 ounces or 12.5 cups of fluid, while yung women naman should drink around 73 ounces or just over 9 cups. And when is the most important time naman to drink plenty of water? When you have fever, when the weather is hot, if you have diarrhea and vomiting, when you sweat a lot, for example, sa mga ginagawa mo sa bahay like doing physical activity and physical exercise. And yung water has 15 benefits sa ating katawan. First, it lubricates the joint. So, paano nga ba? Water helps to keep your joints lubricated and flexible. The synovial fluid that directly lubricates your joints is made up primarily of water. This fluid reduces the friction between joints and helps to maintain healthy tissue and joints. So, we should really need to drink water because it helps us lubricate the joints. Second naman, it forms saliva and mucus. So, paano nga ba? Saliva helps us digest our food and keeps the mouth, nose, and eyes moist. This prevents damage and friction. Also, drinking water keeps the mouth clean. So we should consume water than sweetened beverages because it can also reduce tooth decay. So we should really need to drink water because it forms saliva and mucus. Third sa mga benefits ng water is it delivers oxygen throughout the body. So paano nga ba? Yung blood natin is more than 90% water, and yung blood carries oxygen to the different parts of the body. So we should really need to drink water because it delivers oxygen throughout the body. And yung fourth naman sa benefits is it boosts skin health and beauty. Diba with dehydration, yung skin natin is nagiging vulnerable sa mga skin diseases and even premature wrinkling. So if we want to boost our skin health and beauty, we need to drink water more often. And fifth, it cushions the brain, spinal cord, and other sensitive tissues. So paano nga ba? Yung dehydration can affect brain structure and function. It is also involved in the production of hormones and neurotransmitters. Prolonged dehydration can lead to problems with thinking and reasoning. So when we drink water, it helps us cushions the brain, spinal cord, and other sensitive tissues. Water also helps our body to regulate body temperature. So paano nga ba? The body water has an important role as a thermoregulator, regulating the overall body temperature by helping dissipate heat. If the body becomes too hot, yung water is lost through sweat, and the evaporation of this sweat from the skin surface removes heat from the body. So we should really need to drink water more often because it regulates body temperature. 7 naman, the digestive system depends on it. Yung bowel needs water to work properly, and yung dehydration can lead to digestive problems, constipation, and an overly acidic stomach. So, this increases the risk of heartburn and stomach ulcers. Kung ayaw natin magka-heartburn or stomach ulcers, we should really need to drink water more often because the digestive system depends on it. Then yung pangwalo, it flushes body waste. Yung waste kailangan in processes of sweating and removal of urine and feces. So we should drink water more often because it helps us to flushes body waste. Then yung 9, it helps maintain blood pressure. A lack of water can cause blood to become thicker, increases of blood pressure. So we should really need to drink water because it helps us maintain blood pressure. 10. The airways need it. When dehydrated, yung airways natin become restricted by the body in an effort to minimize water loss. This can make asthma and allergies worse. So, if ayaw natin magka-asthma and allergies worse, we should drink water more often because the airways need it. 11. It makes minerals and nutrients accessible. This dissolve in water, yung minerals and nutrients. It possible for them to reach different parts of the body. Then 12, it prevents kidney damage. The kidneys regulate fluid in the body. Insufficient water can lead to kidney stones and other problems. So we should really need to drink water more often because it helps us prevent kidney damage. Then 13, it boosts performance during exercise. Some scientists have proposed that consuming more water might enhance performance during strenuous activity. Then more research is needed to confirm this, but one review found that yung dehydration reduces performance in activities lasting longer than 30 minutes. So, we should drink water more often because it helps us boost performance during exercise. Then, second to the last, which is weight loss. Science suggests that water can help with weight loss in a variety of ways. It may suppress your appetite, boost your metabolism, and make exercise easier and more efficient, all of which could contribute to results on this scale. So, if gusto nating mabawasan yung timbang natin or yung weight loss nga, we should really need to drink water more often. Lastly, sa benefits of water is that it reduces the chance of hangover. A good rule is to drink a glass of water or another non-alcoholic beverage between drinks and to have at least one big glass of water before going to sleep. Summary, drinking plenty of water can help reduce some of the main symptoms of hangovers including the thirst and headache. So, if may balak tayong uminom, we should drink before and after drinking of alcoholic beverages to prevent hangovers such as thirst and headache. So, let's summarize the 15 benefits of water. Una is yung it helps lubricates the joints, it forms saliva and mucus, it delivers oxygen throughout the body, it boosts our skin health and beauty, it cushions the brain, spinal cord, and other sensitive tissues, it regulates body temperature, the digestive system depends on it flushes body waste, 9, it helps maintain blood pressure, pang 10, the airways need it, 11, it makes minerals and nutrients accessible, 12, it prevents kidney damage, 13, it boosts performance during exercise, then 14, it helps us to weight loss, and 15, it reduces the chance of hangover. And that's all about my report po. Thank you!